Hello everyone, I am George and I will show you OpenBubble on Teams. We have two students, two users, part of the same university, Henrietta and Jonathan. So let's start with Henrietta and she will say hello to OpenBubble. What OpenBubble will do is offer the ability to start an online conversation. So she will basically hit online to declare that she's available. It is the first time that she's using OpenBubble. So when you use OpenBubble for the first time, you have to adhere to our code of ethics. You can read those three phrases. They're very simple, but we're really strong about creating a community of kind people, kind users. So she totally agrees with that. And now she can go online. She's going to make herself available for someone to chat with. So she's going to go into that private space that's set for the university she's with. She doesn't have a very clear idea of her schedule today, so we will just automatically look into her calendar and create the proper entries. So two slots have been created. Okay. So she's got all the informations here, and when she goes to her calendar, actually those two entries have been added. She can change a few things. She actually can select which groups or which classes from which she will meet the people. Again, we're going to look into her profile, and she actually attends those two classes, so let's pick these two. And we come back again. If we the status, we can have the status anytime. Get all the details of when and where she will be available. So now let's switch over to Jonathan. And Jonathan is going to go to OpenBubble, so teams.openbubble.net. That will directly open OpenBubble within Teams. We are using the web browser, but that also works, of course, into the application or into the mobile app. And now we are going to do exactly the same thing with Jonathan. So as I said, Jonathan speaks French, so OpenBubble speaks to him in French. We can start by adding other languages that Jonathan speaks. He speaks English, maybe he speaks Spanish too. Okay, and when he's done, just clicks OK. He gets the same code of ethics that we just saw. He also agrees with that. And he's ready to meet with someone. So the system says that someone's available within the university space, or could go to OpenBubble.online, which is the fully available OpenBubble to anyone. So if he goes to group, he can also set which group to pick people from. We've seen that screen before. Actually, Jonathan undergoes only one class, but well, he wants to meet with anyone from his university, so let's stick with that. Okay, we can close this one, and actually we can see that both Jonathan and Henrietta got that message saying that somebody else is available for meeting. So let's accept here, see what goes, sorry. So we introduce how it works. You can send, you will see that in English. Here's how it works. Meanwhile, Henrietta has accepted. So Jonathan just sent a message. She gets the same messages in English, and she gets Jonathan's message. Thank you very much. That gets sent over to Jonathan, and then they can chat away for a while. And when they're done, one of them just enters term, and then the system takes over with a very quick survey just to make sure everything went right. How did your conversation go? Wait, okay, it was okay, nice. And would you like to eventually talk again with Jonathan? Yes, of course, why not? And same thing here with Jonathan, it was correct. And well, I didn't like it so much, so in that case I won't. So there was a very short presentation to what we do with OpenBubble, and I hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.